Hello. So in the previous few lessons, we created the portfolio, right? But there is one problem. What is the problem? Let's have a look back at the portfolio. It looks so awesome, right? Very nice. But let's say we right click and put inspect. And then let's say we see on different device. So this one, we expose this. And see how it looks like on the phone. This is like an iPhone X. But if you go to, let's say, Moto G4, oh, it doesn't look nice at all. At least the photo is nice though. So this is what we call responsiveness. We want to make the portfolio responsive for the phone and for the tablet so that it will still look nice no matter where the person open the portfolio on. Okay, so how do you do that? There are a lot of methods, but today, referring to a video, I'm going to show you the simplest method, one of the simplest method. Okay, so let's go back to our VS Code screen. What screen is this? Okay, screen 2. So, what we can do is we can add a few more CSS files actually. So let's go over here. We can add a little bit more CSS for different devices. So let's say new file, phone.css, and let's say we can put phone1.css, and then phone2, phone2 tablet.css. If you want to make it nicer, I'm going to make a new folder, and maybe I'm going to put here as CSS. I'm going to take all of this and put it inside the CSS folder. Yep, let's move them all together. So over here, the main.css, you need to change lah. Change this to css/main.css. And then we can also make the other style sheet. So we can just copy this. 1, 2, 3. And then over here, phone. Then phone 1. And then tablet. Okay, let's go to the phone.css first. So in the phone.css, we are going to change the column, the box, and the content of the box. Okay. So in this CSS we only will change the responsiveness of the boxes. So let's put that column, and then grid, template columns, photo, then justify content, center. And then now let's style the box using dot box, and then height will be 200 pixel, width will be 500 pixel, background color. So background color, what was our background color we use for the box? So let's Ctrl F, then dot box. Actually, you can just copy this whole thing. Okay. By the way, this 20, margin 10, padding 20. I wanted there was an error. I didn't close the curly bracket. And then now for the H2, let's go back here. Let's copy the H2 and the P. So for the phone one, the boxes will still be the same. But I think the column is a bit different, right? Wait, center. Yeah, see? This part will be different on the phone. Then let's go to phone 1. Okay, phone 1, the nav bar. So phone 1 will change the nav bar first. The nav bar, the unordered list of the nav bar actually. So flat select, and then justify content, center. And then dot heading, font size 1.3 rem. Yeah, what does this rem stand for anyway? Let me do a quick search about it. Rem in CSS. Does it say the full name? Oh, root element font size. Yeah. And guys, here's a thing, okay? If you guys were to Google for HTML, make sure Google for your web development. Make sure to be also specific. I mean, you don't always have to be specific, but in case of rem, why you need to do rem in CSS? Because we just put rem, normal rem. See what will pop up. I'm surprised that the animate character didn't show up. Oh, yeah. It might show up something like this. So make sure you guys be a bit specific, okay? Like rem in CSS, like that. Okay, I'm going to close this. Okay. And let's go back to our VS Code again. Gallery img width 270 pixel, height 360 pixel, semicolon, and then so we have to change the navigation bar, the heading, and the gallery image so that it will be smaller. Wait, is it supposed to be smaller or bigger? Let's see. Gallery. Yeah, smaller. Okay. Then the about, we're gonna change the about. We're gonna change the flex direction. We're gonna put it as column. Then the H2 of the about, we're gonna change it also to align to center. And the image as well of the about. Height 150 pixel, and the padding 0 pixel and 15 pixel. Woohoo! And then now for the message, you're also going to change your message. So message, we're going to change it to width 40%. And then height 200 pixel. Okay. Then we are also going to change the boxes just now. So let's copy paste the boxes from earlier. Copy them, paste here. Height will be a bit smaller, will be 150 pixel. Width will be 250 pixel. Background color will be the same, 20 pixel, 10, and the padding will be 10. And the H2, we're going to make this a bit smaller, 1.2, and we're going to change the margin to 20. And then font size, we're going to put 0.8. So 0.8, you can just put it as 0.8. And if you guys want to have fun, yeah, maybe you can change the color as well. So if you open on different device, there'll be a different color. You know what? Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that, shall we? Orange red. So pearl maybe. Pearl. And mini mo. What color should I pick? I guess that could be okay. Oh, it says there's an error here. What's the error here? Huh? Box B? Let's try box B. Oh. Okay. And this one, let's go for green. Yeah, let's go for this. Why am I picking this color? I do not know. Yeah. And then for tablet. Now let's go to tablet. And then the first thing you're going to change is the column. So the columns. Let's make it specify content. And then center. And then padding dash left. 20 pixels. And then is there anything else over here? No. Okay, I'm totally not seeing anything else for coding this. My guess is just looking around just for fun. I'm not referring any different kind of coding here. Maybe. So, box. Okay, so we need to get back the box and all of it. So let's say the box is just copy and just paste it here. Height for tablet it'll be a bit bigger than the phone, so we have to change the height to 200, and the width we're gonna change to 400. And then the border radius, margin, padding will be the same. H2 1.5 RAM. Okay, font size 1 RAM. And then the colors over here, do we want to change it? Yeah, let's change it. Yeah. I have no idea what colors I'm choosing actually. And then we're going to change the about image. Yes. The image of myself smiling for some reason. So that about image, and then the padding will be 0 pixel and 20 pixel. The width will be 400 pixel. The height will be 300 pixel. And then the name, let's change the padding to 5 pixel, semicolon. This one, what is this actually? Font size, sorry, font size. Right. Yeah, editor, I think this is the perfect time for just Jeopardy all over again, the Jeopardy theme all over again. What paragraph can we put font size 1 okay, I'm not seeing ever again, maybe. Okay, yeah, so that is all. So let's save all of this. Save all, and let's have a look, shall we? Whether it's all working or not. Let me change some settings here first. Oh wait, let me check the index size, the index size HTML. Did I href it properly or not? href, so href will be uh, yeah, there might be some kind of cut over here, maybe. Let's open next over. So if we make it responsive, if you realize earlier, we didn't actually include all the code. So the responsiveness might change a little to like this. Yeah, the image is gone, but we can add back the image. But see how it's different here. It's different based on what the CSS is using. We inspect again. See? Yeah, it looks better. There are more ways to make it responsive, but this is one of the easiest way. Just yeah, you need to add back the image. If you have to test the responsiveness itself, see? Yeah, I don't think there's a phone this thin yet, unless iPhone 30 or something. Maybe we can change the background. Let's see. Okay. So the main reason why it isn't working properly is because I missed something. It's actually taking the tablet.css over here. So what we should do is actually style sheet, you need to put in the media. So if let's say you're using tablet.css, so the media must be, we must put media equals screen and the max width. What's the max width? So let's say we're doing for the phone. So media equal screen and max width 1170 pixel. And let's add it away to close it. And we can copy this again. Set here. Okay. For phone it will be 920 pixel. And for the phone 1, it will be 695 pixel. Okay. Now let's have a look again. Okay. Before that, let me see something here. Let me double check for the main.css. Okay. Let me see the main.css. Did they... Yeah, I think this would be perfect time for Jeopardy again. While I double check the portfolio. Let's see. Okay, this is correct. But I think we can also add this at the top, the meta task set and the viewport. Usually this one is what they do for Bootstrap. We can add this meta tags as well. Okay, so you can save it. And let's see our portfolio. Okay, let me back. And let me share back the screen again. Here's my share screen. Okay, screen 3. Maybe later you can edit to put in the background photo. And see, this is normal. Yeah, looks normal for this one. And then let's make it responsive. So let's inspect and let's see. The phone maybe 24. Okay. Let me open back the live server. Yeah, there we go. 678, 124. Yeah, so notice that the left bar will be a bit different. But X, then iPad Pro, maybe this for the, maybe this for part of the tablet earlier, Surface Duo. Yeah. This maybe later you can edit the background so that you will have the background photo again. I forgot something really important that Mr. Editor, I mentioned your name. Later I'll ask you about that. Once you're done, you need, and everything is safe, you need to commit to GitHub. So git add dot, and then git commit -m finish portfolio and ready dot deploy. What's deploy? Oh, that's for the next lesson. Interesting, right? Commit. So it's committing everything. So see how this thing is all green color. It's ready to be committed. And then push. Okay, so it's push already. And then let's go back to, let's have a look back at GitHub. Then GitHub again before I share my screen one more time. Okay, so let's go to the repositories. Test portfolio. That's portfolio. And there we go, CSS, images, index.html. Yeah, everything is good over here. Then we just use a lot more CSS and HTML. Yeah, I think because we got the 3 different files, this one. Okay, that's all. And let's get ready to deploy the next lesson.